So I'm out in nature today, and all I can say is it just feels like a different world out here. Like, all of the crazy important stuff that goes through your head, on the average day, it just does not really exist here. Like, look at this. There's like a river down below me, and man, it's just so beautiful. I kind of just came out here on a whim. It's been a while, I guess, since I've made time to come out and just be in nature, but I definitely recommend it. Like, seriously, if you are feeling stressed or, things are just not making sense for you, this is where you want to be. My favorite part about being out here is just seeing like little sections of nature that feel like their own entire like ecosystem, or it's like its own little universe. The longer you just sit here, it's like you can see animals running around, seeing like butterflies just floating. The sound of the river just, man. On top of that, it feels good to just be alone. That's the crazy thing about the city, at least where I live, is that wherever you go, it just feels like someone's there. Or something, something is going on wherever you are. And I think that's been like, I don't know, it's, I don't want to say it's a challenge, but it just feels weird that, you can feel so isolated around so many people and so much, you know, so much stuff going on. It's like if you're gonna be alone, at least do it right. Alright. Well, I hope you guys have a good day.